Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just checking if my audio is on. Yes. So today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cat. Alright, so first we start out with the little... Let's change my opacity on this. It might make this a bit easier. Alright, so we start off with a little gentle type head, like that, kind of. Make sure it's round and not too straight. We want it still to look a little straight. Then we make the chubby little part. Same on this side. Now, the next part might confuse you and might need to do it a few times. Then try and round the rest of them out a little bit. Now we need to make a little point, but not too pointy, because that would make it look ugly. I'm gonna have to try and, my eraser was a bit too big. We're gonna have to try and redo this one on here. Make sure it's not super pointy. A little curve at the end, a little rounded. Alright, I'm going to keep redoing it until I get it correctly. It's a little hard. Yeah, kind of like this. Next, you are going to erase the areas you want your I screwed over again. You're going to erase the areas where you want your ears to be. And just make little pointy, rounded ears like this. I think I made it a bit too pointy on the chin, but we'll leave it like that, okay? Then we'll add another little paw, a little ear in here, because that looks a little nice, because the inside of the ear. And then, alright, just draw little dots, little thick dots. Then I'm gonna take my eraser. Okay, that's a bit too. We need to be 100% on the flow. It's being a bit difficult right now. So let's just see, so it's kind of like that first. Then here comes the easier parts. You draw a little upside down type of the head. Then you go whoop, a little hook. Aw, you look cute already. Then some whiskers, if you like them. I add whiskers every time. I don't see whiskers used a lot in cats. And look how happy this little cat is. That's the head, and I'm just gonna move it up a little bit. Like that. Alright, so next, you draw like this, little lines down from nearby the chin, not directly, because we want it to be broad. Then a little back in, then a little straight, and now this trick is pretty cool. You just like that. So there's two little feet. Then you draw the 6-pack. Maybe I made it a bit too big. How about we just draw a little 4-pack on this one? Alright, if you're a digital artist, I just shrink it and then put it on because it's a bit hard to do. I don't know why. It always just is to me. Then we just shrink it down a little bit. Done. Then we send a giant, you know what. Then make it a little sharp, not too sharp, and make it look like he's flexing. He's big, getting muscles, because he is. And then, I think he needs some veins to look complete. So, you can draw the lines too, or you can do the veins that I'm doing. Then let's draw the fingers, like in a fist. I like them like that. Now, I'm sorry, I'm trying to get a video out today because I'm working on a really long animation and it might take a little while to get out. Alright, looks good so far. I'm just gonna thicken it a bit. Whoa. And look at this guy. That is the cutest kitten I've ever seen. And I hope it is for you too. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to draw cats. And, oh yeah, by the way, this was a joke. But, I mean, you can probably draw the head. That's still a cat head, so tweet me on Twitter what you draw using my tutorials. And, bye.